Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to add button to Wix website. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix dashboard, you're going to tap on Edit Site in the top right hand corner and you will be led to this page, and from here you can select the page that you would like to add the button to. Then you're going to simply tap on the plus in the top left hand corner where you see Add Elements. And from here you are going to select button. Then you can see numerous options you can choose from, as you can see right here. And once you have found one to your liking, for example this one right here, view more, you can simply tap and drag it to wherever you want it on your blog post or so on. You can simply place it in position, and you can also change the text and icon, as you can see right here, by tapping on that. So you could add whatever you want right there, and you can simply add a link if you would also like to add a link, as you can see there. So once someone taps on your button, they'll be redirected to another page. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. As you can see, you can also choose an icon.